Guys, can't believe it. You see? The Niagara Falls is behind me. Niagara Falls is in one frame. It's in my video frame. I can't believe it. That one. Mas better yung view dito sa Canada kaysa sa US. Kasi mas makikita yung full view talaga. We have to make it early kasi 7:30 yung assembly time namin. We have to go out here exactly 8 in the morning. 6:30 na. Kailangan natin magmadali, kakain pa tayo sa baba. So this day, pupunta kami ng Niagara Falls sa Canada side. Which is maganda yung view sa Canada side, kaya dun kami papa-picture. Afterwards, long drive na siya to cross the border. It will take almost 5 hours to cross the border from Canada to US.
A few moments later.
Before was very good country. Stop on the front of the hotel, then everybody follow me, okay? I will lead you go to take a good photo, okay? Good photo, good angle for photo. And after photo, then we going to shopping.
Years later.
Oh my God! That's it! Oh, that's the Niagara Falls. The Street of Fun by Niagara Falls. You see that, guys? Oh my God, finally! We are here! The paradise on earth is here, guys. So you see? So, we just have to cross over na lang kasi nandun yung mga kasama natin. Oh my God. Guys, nakikita ko na yung waterfall. Yung Niagara Falls. And there are so many people. So guys, alam mo yung malayo pa tayo pero parang napifeel mo na yung water na sumasalubong sa mukha mo. So that one, Niagara Falls, guys. So, malapit na tayo. We just have to wait. Right, it's there. Tapos parang umuulan, guys, kasi parang, di ba? Napifeel niyo yung water? Yeah. Parang drizzling, guys. Oh my God. Do you know that Niagara Falls is 12,000 years old? Oh my God. You see that, guys? The falls between United States and the Canada. Lapitan natin, guys. We will take a photo. Maganda yung view dito sa Toronto, guys, kaysa sa US. So we would be having a good shot. That one. We just have to wait. The view is there?
Banyo.
Banyo first. Oh my God, the Niagara Falls. You see that? I can't wait to see how this turns out. Okay, my God, I can't believe it. Niagara Falls is behind me. That one. I didn't expect na dalawa pala yung falls na Niagara Falls. And that one is in between Canada and the United States. And as you could see, that one, ang lakas ng current. Nagsasalubong sa lake ng US, pababa dito sa lake ng Canada. That one. So, as you could observe, may mga nagtutour din. Sayang hindi natin ma-experience, hindi natin palapitan. That one. Do you know, guys, that Niagara Falls or Niagara means is a thundering storm? Guys, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na nandito tayo. It's so amazing that, you know, apparently.
US nyo pala yung doon sa kabila.
So, pakatapos lang natin. Galing tayo ng Niagara Falls. And this time, magka-cross border tayo going to United States. Yung haba ng pila, so we have to make it fast. And as I observe, ang haba ng traffic na kasi a lot of people are crossing the border. So this time we're going back to the bus. And we have to prepare our passport. So guys, nasa duty free tayo. Mamimili tayo. Gamitin natin yung mga natirang Canadian dollar natin.
Ano binili mo?
This one. A biscuit.
Ay, gusto nyo. Ito, biscuit.
Yeah, masarap yan. Ayan.
Yung local. Gusto nyo na nakainin.
Gamitin nila yung dollar ninyo. Ito, may mga buy one take one dito. The good thing is, I didn't buy chocolate kasi ang sabi nila, hindi daw masarap yung chocolate dito sa Canada. Mas masarap sa US. I just have my local na lang and a cookie. So, may mga alak dito. This is buy 3 get 1.
Maybe you should sit here.